Good morning, namaskara, namaste everyone. It's 14 December today and we're heading for a new destination, a weekend drive, a short trip with family and relatives, cousins. So this time we are going to my favorite, which is Sakleshpur. We just started half an hour ago from Bangalore and we are on the Mangalore highway. Sakleshpur would take about 4.5 hours with a short breakfast break. So the property is extremely good. So when we go close to the property and when we check in, we'll give you more updates. You keep watching and enjoy this virtual tour. Well, it's time for breakfast. It's around 9:25 right now. Our folks have not arrived, and this is our usual favorite space, spot for breakfast always, Vaishali. Whichever direction we go, we happen to find at least one Vaishali. They serve amazing non-veg breakfast, mild, so that it can be consumed as a breakfast, and that's why we always halt here. Our favorite spot. We'll show you what we're going to eat. Keep watching. Our people, one car has arrived. Okay. There's one more car which is not seen, not found. I don't know where it is. Let's wait for them. So the last participant is there. Chalo, come, get on. Pure off-roading now. I think it's just about another 5 minutes to reach the property. Well everyone, good afternoon, namaskara, namaste everyone. We have finally reached, and this is the parking area, right? Three big boys, 3 big cars, and we have these vehicles, what we call shuttle or whatever, the caravan, yeah, modified buggy. So this is how they're going to transport us to the reception area with the luggages on top. This looks like a jungle safari vehicle. Looks like a jungle safari vehicle. And our people here, thank you so much, भैया, for helping us to go to the. ये वीडियो में आएगा, मैं आपको शेयर कर दूंगा, ठीक है ना? थैंक यू सो मच. इन लोगों को पहले ड्रॉप करके आप आ जाओ, फिर वो गाड़ी में सब लोग नहीं आएगा, आप पहले इनको पहले छोड़ के आ जाओ, ठीक है ना? So one batch is going right now and then we'll go. भैया थोड़ा आराम से, ऊपर बैग है, लगेज है. Beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful, lovely.
दम है गाड़ी में. Maruti Omni. It's like killer.
Killer.
Jisha, looks like you're going for jungle safari. Na? Okay, see you at the reception. The boys decided to walk down. It's about 200 meters from the parking area. And this is the property. Devadhare. It's one of the finest properties in Sakleshpur. This was also in our bucket list. And so finally we have made to it. There seems to be 2 waterfall inside the property. There's a lake where people can do kayaking. And lot more. Once we enter, we'll probably be able to explore. I'm just speaking out of my research that I've done through Google. This is a gate. I think it looks very rustic. Very nice. Let's get inside. This is the reception and the check-in formalities are on. All of us submitting our ID proofs. Someone has physical copies. Someone is trying to find the hard copy, soft copy. Someone is trying to connect the network. Someone doesn't know that PAN card is not accepted as ID.
Someone is also unable to pay the money. Just at the last moment.
That he'll be left behind here to wash probably the utensils and pay back. Yeah. So everybody is trying to.
YouTuber.
Very good. I'll send you the video. Okay, you please subscribe to it also. A quick room tour. When we enter, there's a place to keep luggage. There's a cupboard. There we have long table rather, refrigerator, mirror, TV, bed, air conditioner, nice Mangalore tile roofing, and then we have small sitting area inside. And the best part is, of course, how to open? Yeah, okay. So that's the sitting area here. And there seems to be a lake there. So after a quick check-in, we are rushing for lunch because 3 o'clock the lunch will close. And we checked in late. This is a lake. In this lake they have kayaking as well. And there's a small waterfall from the lake. The water is actually falling down, so that's a waterfall. But they have another waterfall towards that side. This is how the lake looks like. There's a mountain behind. And this is how the water is falling down. I'll show you from the other side for a better view. This is the lunch area. It's built on metal pillars. Very nicely done. So this is how it looks like. There's a rush here. Lunch.
अनियन है क्या सूप
Sweet corn.
This side is veg, right? ये पूरा वेज है और नॉन वेज उस तरफ है. ये क्या है? एग नूडल. मुगलाई वो फिश है क्या?
फिश बोलो और आंते फिश
फिश थोड़ा बोलो लेके आने के लिए. We mostly finished everything. We were so hungry, so we didn't get any time to shoot the video of the food.
Fourth time.
So this is the fourth time somebody is taking the food. We actually typically call the chef to get, the dishes to be refilled. You can see the amount of food that we ate. We were so hungry.
Fourth time.
And this is the fourth time somebody is taking. Wait, your face is not coming. Now it's face is coming. Yeah, the fourth time this guy is taking.
The fourth time I ate.
Fourth time refill.
I ate 2 types of rice, 3 types of rice, 4-5
So
chapatis.
all our 11 members have made people running around for the refilling. You know how much you want to still eat anyway.
Chill, man. Chill.
No, it's really good.
I think this is the second time. I think Modi has mostly done a good justice for this.
अच्छा এটা তুমি ইউটিউবে দেবে রাইট?
YouTube, yeah. Shit ki.
ভালো করে এডিট করবে।
No, edit করবো না. This is non-edited.
Salpa payasam.
This guy is, I think, again thrice refilling.
Papad, cucumber.
The best place is always this kayaking. I think we'll also do kayaking after we settle down a little bit more. There seems to be a small bridge which people can access the waterfall there. Let me try going. So the restaurant is on top, and this bridge is below the restaurant. Whoa, lovely, lovely. Water is falling from that lake in front of the restaurant, and it just goes below the restaurant, and then you can hear the sound of the waterfall. This is a waterfall. I'm sure in monsoon it will be pretty big. As of now it's still good. And here one can go down, there's a staircase, and enjoy the waterfall. You can take bath, you can sit there, relax, get a natural jacuzzi, and enjoy the peace and serenity of this beautiful property. A small celebration out here.
Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary.
To capture the cake. Yes. Beautiful. Payal and Nandan, congratulations. Once again.
Thank you.
Payal and Nandan, congratulations. Yeah, boss.
Good evening. So right now we've just come to the dinner area after the campfire, which probably you have seen that. So it's beautiful, I would say. The kind of the light and the ambience, so warm the place is all about. So let's see what is there in the dinner. Thank you, Sajan. So we have veg, chapati. Get some more veg item. So क्या है?
पनीर पालक,
पनीर पालक. Rice, dal and
white rice,
White rice.
tomato rasa.
these are all veg for dinner. That's the counter for dessert. Now this is the interesting part, non-veg. भैया non-veg में क्या है?
चिकन गुंटूर एक करी,
Chicken guntur, egg curry,
फिश रवा फ्राई.
fish rava fry. Awesome. Thank you so much. Awesome, awesome. The place looks so warm. And we have our group, the noisiest. So much of sound, noise, chit chat, chit chat, chit chat. So some interesting discussion going on. Some serious discussion. Someone is trying to have the food. Someone is taking repeat. Nandon and the two kids. Good morning, namaste and namaskara. So we're just heading for breakfast. It's a beautiful sunrise in the morning, and we can see the mountain on top. Good morning. How was the morning walk? Good. How was the morning walk? Very good. Okay. Morning, Prajan. So time for breakfast. We have toast, sprouts, fruits, cornflakes, idli, vada, chutney, sambar and this what? Puri. Batori. Chole batori. अच्छा अच्छा ठीक है. Super. Watermelon. And then tea coffee as usual here, right? Beautiful. So let's get started with the breakfast. After we have checked out from our resort, we just stopped here for a quick photo shoot with all the three cars.
Guys, please subscribe, watch the video, please pass it to most of your friends.
Yeah. Please watch, share,
Watch, share,
like, subscribe.
The review will be shared with you according